Hi there, students. A nest egg. Okay, this is an informal phrase for money that you're saving for a particular purpose, very often for retirement. So one of the best ways to build up a nest egg for retirement is to put away a little bit of money each week. Yeah, this is your nest egg is your savings. Yeah, a store of money. We nearly always use this about money. Yeah, so he worked hard to mm, get together a little nest egg in order to put a deposit down on a house. Yeah, and this is the idea of a nest egg. Yeah, an amount of money that's been kept or put by for a special purpose. I think particularly for retirement, but not necessarily. Um, my father spent his nest egg on my college education, so that's something I really appreciate. Yeah, it's the money that he'd set aside for a rainy day. Yeah, you set aside a nest egg for a rainy day. Um, yeah, I've been building up a nest egg so that I can travel round the world. Well, it's a good example. Yeah, when times are good and you're making lots of money, you should put aside a nest egg in order to um, compensate for the bad times, which are always there round the corner. Let's see, you can also use this word nest egg literally. A nest egg is an egg or something that looks like an egg, the shape of an egg, which you use put to encourage birds to lay their eggs in a particular place. If you've ever had chickens, you'll know that they have this tendency sometimes to lay their eggs all over the place. So the best solution to this is to make a nice nest for them in somewhere where they like to lay their eggs and put either a real egg or something that's the exact shape of an egg inside it. And that is a nest egg. Yeah, and then afterwards they tend to do it. But a nest egg, we normally use this to talk about money that you put aside, your savings. Yeah, so it's a good idea in our current world to put aside a tidy nest egg, tidy, good amount for a comfortable retirement. Yeah, so yes, he had a nest egg for his retirement, but when the company went bankrupt, he had to use his nest egg to pay back some of the debtors. Okay, so a nest egg. This is an informal term. I think I'd probably give it 3.5 to 4 informality. Use in an informal conversation easily. I guess you could use it in a semi-formal conversation, but certainly nothing more formal. So a nest egg, money put aside for a particular purpose. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, tell your friends about it, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. A nest egg.